be talking about kinematics projectile motion. Kinematics projectile motion has some components that we're going to go over just to set the boundaries. So range, the horizontal is the horizontal distance that a projectile can travel. Altitude or peak is the height that a projectile will reach.
So you're talking about in the y direction,
Yes,
right?
in the y direction, the peak, so like a mountain, the very top of the mountain. And the horizontal velocity of a projectile motion is constant if wind resistance is ignored. So if air resistance is negligible, velocity will be constant. And then a projectile has both horizontal and vertical components of velocity, so the x and the y. Its horizontal velocity of a projectile that stays the same. It's the vertical velocity component of a projectile that causes the curve downward as it flies forward. The name given to the path taken by a projectile is the trajectory. For the maximum range of projectile should be fired at 45 degrees. What is projectile? What force acts upon projectile flight? A projectile is an object that moves through air affected only by gravity. Draw the path of the projectile through the air. What is the shape called? The shape is called a parabola. And for just a quick example, a student rides her bike and throws a tennis ball in the air. Describe where the ball lands if when it's thrown. So as she speeds up after the ball is thrown, the ball will end up behind her since she's already going forward. And if she maintains a constant speed after throwing, the ball will end up in her hand. And if she slows down after throwing the ball will end up in front of her bike.
Hi.
Hey, you want to perform a science experiment?
On what?
Let me think. Oh, why not projectile motion to get extra credit for Miss Fanny's class?
But what should we use though?
Oh, of course.
Let's get it. Alright, let's do this thing.
No. Apple?
Oh, okay. Alright, let me practice first though. Oh, damn it.
Okay. I don't think this is safe.
Trust me, man. I'm a pro.
Well, if you say so.
Trust me, I did all the calculations, dude. Hi.
Hey, you want to perform a science experiment?
On what?
Let me think. Oh, why not projectile motion to get extra credit for Miss Fanny's class?
But what should we use though?
Oh, of course.
Let's get it. Alright, let's do this thing.
No. Apple?
Oh, okay. Alright, let me practice first though. Oh, damn it.
Okay. I don't think this is safe.
Trust me, man. I'm a pro.
Well, if you say so.
Trust me, I did all the calculations, dude. Now, how did I calculate this? Well, it's simple, not really. So I use these two equations to figure out all the mathematics that I had to do in order to hit the apple exactly at this point. So anyways, what we're gonna do first, well, since we have the A, and we're gonna find out everything on the X direction. Since we have A, we have Vx and Vx naught, we're gonna isolate it to make it to T because we do not know T. We know how high this guy is and how high this guy is, and we know the distance and we know the angle, which is important. So after we isolate that, it's gonna be 5 equals 0 plus Vi and cosine 45. And then after that, after we isolate that and we find out that that's like the way to find, that's time, basically we're gonna add this and we're gonna plug it into this other equation and we're gonna fit it right into here. So how are we gonna fit it into there? Well, we just plug it in and then we basically, it's gonna equal to 0.4 equals 0 plus Vi sine 45 plus 1/2. gt squared. And this is gravity, by the way, which is also, well, obviously negative 10. So, and anyways, after that, then you're gonna put it into this longer equation. After you simplify it, it's gonna soon turn out to be 1.33 equals 0 plus vi sine 45, 1.66 times vi cosine 45 plus vi cosine 45 plus 1/2 negative 10 times 5, which is also multiplied by vi cosine 45. After you get this long complicated equation, you're going to try to solve for v, you're going to isolate it, and after some long stupid math stuff, you're going to soon get 15.5.
What do you want out of your education?
And don't forget meters per second, guys.